To go nuts. To become very crazy, excited, or angry. The kids went nuts at the party. He will go nuts if he loses his phone. Cat fight. A strong argument or fight, usually between women. The two sisters had a cat fight. The movie showed a dramatic cat fight. Go under the knife. To have surgery or a medical operation. He had to go under the knife for his knee. The doctor said he must go under the knife. Deep pockets. Having a lot of money. The businessman has deep pockets. He can buy anything because he has deep pockets. Dressed to the nines. Wearing very stylish or elegant clothes. Everyone was dressed to the nines for the party. She was dressed to the nines at the wedding. Middle age spread. Weight gain around the stomach as people get older. She changed her diet because of middle age spread. Many people notice middle age spread in their 40s. Learn the ropes. To learn how to do a new job or activity. The new cook is learning the ropes in the busy kitchen. It took him months to learn the ropes of carpentry. In two minds. Unsure about a decision. He is in two minds about buying the car. I am in two minds about the job. In the black. Making money. Financially successful. The business is finally in the black. Our shop stayed in the black this year.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!